Kindergarten, week 10, rocks. Teachers, you can see I made a poster for you to lay on your table. It'll also be covered with clear plastic so we can reuse these. But your students are supposed to take their rocks and sort them by size, shape, color, and texture. So in the first box up there, the size, I'm going to go ahead and put my camera down, angle it on the teachers. I'm down flat on the table now. You'll see your students have a variety of rocks. We're going to arrange them from smallest to largest. That's what size is, and I'm just setting them here. I'm not really looking at them, so they can have as many lines as they want. So that's size. Then we're going to do color. And you'll see that, you know, it's kind of what they want to do on their color. It's, you know, it's how they perceive it. Lots of grays. There's a black rock all by itself. There's a cream one. There's another black one. So let them group their rocks according to what they think. And then shape is going to be, I gave them a rectangle, an oval, and a triangle. So that rock right there is kind of a rectangle. This one, you know, let them decide what they think it is. There's a pretty good triangle right there. Maybe another triangle. That one's definitely a triangle. Square. Here we finally have a round one. They're going to have a little hard time trying to decide these irregular shapes, but that's good for them to really study it. There's a pretty good triangle. This is a very irregular rock. It's more round than anything. So just let them decide on their shapes. There's a good rectangular rock. Then I put smooth and rough on their texture here. So let them make sure they're rubbing them between their fingers. That's a smooth rock. That's a smooth rock. Smooth. That's a rough rock. That's a smooth rock. Rough. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to classify them according to size, color, shape, and texture. Kindergarten teachers, I've decided that something that would be fun for your kids to do is also look at fossils. And I have some plaster mold here of a trilobite, like a big old insect that was a fossil. And I have the actual trilobite fossil right here that the kids can see his body. And I just put like shark's teeth as a fossil. And I have some of these plates that I've purchased that lets the kids do a rubbing. This one is the trilobite that I just showed you. And it's just fun to lay this down and put a piece of paper over it and rub it with a crayon. And the kids will actually have a trilobite that they can put in their journal. So that's something I've added to my idea this week on rocks. Instead of just classifying, let's look at some fossils also. This one is a shell. These will be on the different tables. I'll have the crayons already peeled, and we'll let them do some rubbings that they can take back to their classroom with them. So that's something fun for them to do.